Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing the unboxing of my Boxycharm January premium box. I got this box a little bit late, so now I'm doing my unboxing, and this is my January premium box. Boxycharm premium. I'm doing the unboxing, so let's get into it. This box, this month. Alrighty, so I'm gonna go into the box, see what we have this month. And this month, January, yes, the premium and the base box are basically the same. Fresh start, so it's a fresh start this month. That's what we're doing for premium. I got this in my base and I also get my premium, so it's a fresh start. So the first thing I'm gonna get out of this premium box is I received the Fenty Beauty powder, and I already have one of these powder that I bought at Sephora, and I bought the honey, but I got this one in my premium box. Fenty Beauty. So this one is butter. This is the one they sent me. The one I bought for myself at Sephora, I got the one in honey, so I'm kind of, yeah, excited to see how this one works. So this is the Fenty Beauty powder. I might, well, I already did a little bit of my face already, the basics, so I might use this next time in my next makeup look for you guys to see how this works. And for this Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder, for this one it's $32. Everybody's saying it's a really good setting powder, so I can't wait to try this one to see how it works. Okay guys, so the second thing that I'm gonna take out of the box is the Summer Friday Jet Lag Mask. So I don't think I've used Summer Friday before, so I'm excited to use this and see what it's like. Let me check the price out and see how much this is retail for. So this is retail for $48. So I can't wait to try this Summer Friday right here. So this is it right here. Summer Friday. So I'm excited to try this out maybe tonight or in the morning, whatever, and see how it goes. But I'm excited because this is going to help with a lot of things, because we're at home, it's COVID, we're stressed, we're tired, we're exhausted, we're depressed. So this shall wake us up. Okay guys, so the third item that I'm gonna take out of the box right now is the Fenty Beauty Mascara. So I've never used the Fenty mascara before, but I'm gonna use it today because I'm gonna try and do a look today, and I'm gonna use the same mascara to see how it works. Ooh, look at that guys. I really love the head of this. Look at that. It's flat on opposite sides. I like that. It's kind of like an oval shape, I think it has. So that's gonna grab the hairs really good. You'll see how it works, but I'm excited to get this Fenty mascara right here. And the Fenty mascara is retailed for $24. So it's designed to deliver Rihanna full lash look. Okay, we want to look like Rihanna, honey. Okay, we want to do that still. The next item I'm going to take out from my premium box is this silver infused microfiber makeup removing cloth. So this is a makeup removing cloth. I'm excited to use this because I normally wash my face with a cleanser or something like that. to get off the makeup. I've never used the makeup cloth before, so this is it right here. It's from PMD. This is from PMD, so I'm excited to use this. It says here to wash cloth before use, dampen cloth with warm water, and gently wipe off makeup. Rinse cloth, machine wash as needed. I'm excited. Let me just take it out to see. Oh, it's soft. It's soft. It's like a little wash rag, like a little bathe wash rag that you use to bathe. But yeah, I'm excited to see how this works with makeup. So for this one is retailed for $32. If you guys received this before in your premium box and you've used yours already, can you please like let me know what you think of it? And when I use mine, I'm gonna let you know what my thoughts are also. So thank you PMD, thank you Boxy. I'm gonna try this. Okay guys, so our next item that I'm gonna take out of the box right now is a clean jelly oil cleanser. This is a makeup remover gel. I'm excited to use this. I don't think I used a makeup remover gel before. So this is a makeup remover gel from Ren Clean Skincare. This is the makeup remover gel from them. Let's see the consistency. Okay. Nice and thick and jelly. So this one is from Ren Clean Skincare Perfect Canvas Clean Jelly Oil Cleanser. Okay, they're saying a lot about this right here. I have to try this to see how this works. If you saying all of this, well, okay, honey. Let's see how this works. So I'm going to be using this tonight to remove my makeup. I'm going to see how this works and let you guys know. But for this, the retail price is $32. Okay guys, the last and final item in the January premium box that I got, the last and final item that I received, is the Ofra palette. I was hoping I get this palette. I was hoping I get it, but I received this Ofra palette and I'm going to be using it today in a makeup look after for you guys to see how. So yeah, I'm excited. So this is the palette from Ofra Cosmetics. This is the oops, yes, let me come back. So these are the highlighters right here. So we have some eyeshadows right here, we have shimmers and mattes, and we have here, I see that looks like a blush and a bronzer. So this is beautiful. So these are the eyeshadows, highlight, blush, bronzer. This is a beautiful palette from Ofra. So I'm happy I received this, and I'm excited to use it. So this palette is retailed for $39. This is the one I received. I also ordered one in the Boxy pop-up. So I should be receiving that soon, the Boxy pop-up. So, but this is the Ofra palette, and I'm going to be using this tonight and put on my eyes to create a beautiful makeup look like this. So if you guys want to see how I do this, just please stay tuned and go to my other video that's gonna come up like after this, and you can watch or create a look using this Ofra beautiful palette today. In this month's box, so I received this Summer Friday jet lag mask. I received the Ren oil cleanser. I received that. I received the Pro Filter setting powder from Fenty Beauty, the mascara from Fenty, and the palette from Ofra Cosmetics. I think that's it. Oh, one more thing. And I also received the makeup removing washcloth. So those are everything I received today in my Boxy Premium January box. It was a really good box this month. It was really good. Boxycharm did their thing. So thank you very much for visiting my channel, watching me do this unboxing. I hope you receive maybe some things that I have. If you have, please let me know how it works, and I'm gonna let you know when I use the stuff in my box how it worked for me. Leave your comments, subscribe, share, and alrighty, thank you, I appreciate you.